How to make Uber Eats driver account. I'm gonna teach you how to make Uber Eats driver account with today's tutorial. First, go to Uber Eats website. Then, click on sign up to drive. After you are signed in, you will be asked to fill several forms. First, your profile picture, then you need to submit your driving license. After that, you have to put your vehicle insurance, then your registration certificate. And once you fill your vehicle commercial permit, you'll be signed up to being an Uber Eats driver. And that's it.